Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can find day 8 of the little splash whale in Heartopia. So you'll be able to find the cyan one in Coral Way, and you'll find the splash whale on top of the blue coral. Take a picture and don't forget to give it a little boop. And for the bubble itself, you are going to go to the left. Okay. You're going to go to the left and you're going to go to this kind of like cave. The bubble goes around, so just be patient and wait here because it's going to come here. I was a little bit patient. Sorry, I was impatient, so I went back, but this is how like it goes around. It goes like up and then like down again. So if you can't find it in the like tunnel, you can find it like on top of it, and here's where it is on the map. And the splash whale is here on the map. I'll just put a little like sign to show you guys, but that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.